is a fascinating town as the ancient capital of Gascony. Its roots can be traced back to the Roman conquest of the area in the 15th BC, when the Romans encountered the indigenous Aquitanian tribe known as the Auch. One of the top attractions in Auch is the Renaissance Cathedral of Sainte-Marie, which boasts a stunning organ, carved stalls, and beautiful rose-stained glass windows. Another must-visit destination is the Musée d'Amérique, which showcases a vast collection of art and artifacts from the Americas. The town also features La Tour d'Armagnac, a 14th century prison, and the Treasure de la Cathedral, as the Escalier monumental, a grand staircase built in the 19th century. Additionally, the house of Henry IV is the popular spot for history buffs. Finally, the Musée de la Résistance et de la Déportation is a painful tribute to the town's role in the French resistance during World War II. I spent all day in Auch. Whole day. This was absolutely amazing. It was a great place to visit for museums, art galleries and historical buildings. There is plenty of museums and places to go. Have a good day.